Liquid Stampede ay activated na at sila ang makakuha ng second na to. Kalmadong tapang.
Hello guys, week 4 kalaban namin Onyx. Sana makachamba kami. Yung preparation namin, inara lang namin yung lineup nila pati playstyle nila. Samahan nyo kami guys, support nyo kami.
So ayun guys, week 4, day 3 and last match namin against Sonic. And hopefully maklose natin yung first leg ng 7-0 but enjoy lang natin. So check in muna kami and then let's see later kung sino manalo. Wish us luck.
I'm really excited that finally I can go on the stage with the team and hopefully we can keep the win streak alive and I'm not a curse.
Yan, may kasama na ako. Si Coach Ayon, abangan niyo mamaya. Dalawa na kami sa stage sa wakas.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
History is written in gold. This will never rust. Starting off with Team Liquid Philippines. Wala pang kumakatay. Forlo kasi nagamit na rin yung manipulation. Si Bruce ay pumasok na. Pero base lock na ang Cavalry at sila makakukuha ng Game 1.
Action back day number 1. At nasa puso ng Team Liquid Philippines with clear fundamentals. Game number 1.
Paulit-ulit lang ang gusto mga Minions and hinaharapan ng mga members ng Onyx Philippines.
Na ginagawa, pumasok din si Sanford with a flicker at ready nang umarangkada ang TLPH. Undefeated!
The first of the Liquid.
And that's it for the first half. We won and 7-0 ang ating current standing. May nagbigay sa akin ng possessed na minion. Possessed siya, possessed.
Raging!
And thank you, Raging Sanford. And I'll see you guys next half.
Guys, pala tayo ngayong week. And standing natin 7-0 na yan. Sana magtuloy-tuloy ulit. Alaman natin next week is Rora and Twisted Minds. Good luck.
So yun guys, panalo kami versus Sonic PH. Undefeated kami sa first half ng regular season and sana magtuloy-tuloy pa. Next week kalaban ulit namin guys, Aurora. And alam kong gigil na sila makabawi sa amin. And pagbubutihan lang namin.